Alright, so today is ever stripping day. So my plan is to actually just take out the carpet, um, seats. As you can see, I took out the seats already. See, here are the seats, and next plan is to take out the carpet. So what I plan to do is to actually take the carpet out, clean it, and I'm actually going to dye it black. It may not be this video, but that's the plan. So take out the seats pretty straightforward. Just gonna just pull the four nuts or screws, and we just take it out. So there's no rocket science there, and the carpet is literally just pull it out. So the next clip you'll see is pretty much, I don't have my stand now for you to see time lapse of me taking it out, but what I'll do is obviously in the next clip you'll see it out. So like moving magic, I'm gonna just snap my fingers and then you'll see the carpet out. So alright, so just a quick, what the car has high level. I give you an in-depth walk around in another vid, but this is really the cleanup bit. But high level, we have the Momo steering wheel, we have an aftermarket shift knob, aftermarket radio, for the stock Ever clusters. I'm planning to change these out to the 300 kilometers version, even though would not be going that. As you know, it's the RS, you're not seeing any sound deadening, as I mentioned. Came with some gauges. I have an AM wideband and an alternator boost gauge. I'm not a fan of AM gauges, I haven't had much luck with them, but those were the X series, so this is the first gen. So I may leave this, but I'm definitely changing this, so this will be for sale. Let's see, just quickly. Has some TSW rims, nice. Stock, pretty much a stock Evo, minus the manifold. Stock turbo. As you can see, that's stock aftermarket. Filter, Emisa blow-off valve. This will be changed. Cusco catch scan. You can see Cusco. This is a Cusco tie bar, and as I say, it's a RSA, comes with the LSD, Cusco LSD front and back for the diffs and the drive shaft, and the rest is pretty stock. Won't be stuck for long though, but yeah. So yeah, that's it. So next is for me I'm gonna clean this carpet. You can see it's pretty dirty. So the plan is I'm gonna vacuum it, I'm gonna power wash it, and then I'm gonna dye it. I'm gonna dye it black. I want to reduce these wires because it's way too big. As you can see, it has a battery box right here. Yeah, sorry. Oh, it has a turbo timer. Old school stuff. May just leave it just for nostalgia. Some speakers around the back I may change. Not a fan of this seat, this back seat either. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that. But roof is pretty dirty but intact, so I'll have this sorted out. I broke that, it crystallized on me, so I ordered a new one, so that should be here soon. As you can see, this is not that bad, but I'm ordering a new one as well. I may try to clean this up because maybe just dirty, and the rest is just clean up. So I'm just gonna clean up in here. Just gonna vacuum, then try to power wash in here, and then this way it go. I'm just gonna see if I can secure all of these wires and all of that, and to reduce and just make a little meter. So next is pretty much I'm gonna vacuum this out, and probably power wash it out as well. So there you go. You can't have this stay so, you know, because it's like it go to the fuel pump and then it just a open wire. So imagine this a grounds from the body of the car. But then again, it's the ground, so I guess it's not so bad if you get grounds out. But yeah, I have to sort this out. This is not cutting it. But yeah, man, so far so good. Alright, so as you know, with every old school car you have the little hacks and so forth. So with this I'll be going through a lot of the wiring. So for example, this wire, as you can see, it leads back to the behind the dash there, so I'm going to check that. But what I think it is, which I think is very dangerous, so this actually comes back to this, which seems like a relay for the fuel pump. Now I don't know about y'all, but this don't cut it. As a matter of fact, I literally just put some tape on one of the wires because it wasn't covered. So I'm gonna update this. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this, so it's either I'm gonna just rewire everything, make it look neater, or what, but I'm gonna really play with fuel that way there, you know. So make sure I set this sorted out. So that's one, and this everlasting wire here, definitely reducing this. But yeah, this has to go or be fixed. And I do see some plug that I'm also sure what they're for, like this one. I'm also sure what it's for. Maybe it's for the seat belt, similar to that one. Don't know what it's for. This one here again. Oh, and then it has one over here as well. Hey, maybe it is for the seat belt. Where would the seat belt be? You come over here and you attach it. Yeah, so maybe these are for the seat belt, I'm assuming. Let's see. Don't see any real other cut wires. This wire, I have no idea where it leads to. See, it goes around to the back, but it is cut. It's cut to the front here. So I'm gonna trace that and see where that goes. This was a mystery because I almost cut this wire, you know, because it ran weird. It ran across here, so, and then come back, and I'm like, why didn't you just run it in the middle here so that you don't have no issues? But it was run here, there, and then that wire was stretching across. It was just crazy. So yeah, so this, if I'm going to be using it, which I just think it's for ignition, so it's just an ignition source it looked for, but I'll confirm. And if it is an ignition source, I'm pretty sure one of these wires close by must give ignition at some point. So I'd rather just find somewhere right here, so, and just tap in, right? You know, instead of having this I go all the way at the front and all this drama. Could I run this neat, you know, like I look on the route, you know, because if you look even at the track here, so right, you have a track come all the way there, so then run it and run it on top of everything. Like you could have actually run it on the floor, run it through this, come through here, so come through here, so, and then just go neatly around the back. But you know, this could have, I could definitely reroute this so it neater and probably reduce the length so that you don't have all of this excess, as it's unneeded, not necessary. So yeah, I'm gonna go route this properly. Yeah, so it's like how the Honda one and stay when them dirty and stay, so this can come back easily. But what I was saying is that I would do I would use the spray and spray this black, this them here black, them the black. So it come down with the theme, right? So it's like black come down. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you somewhat of a before and a after. This is kind of a after. This is me. I've taken out majority of the dust. So this is before I attack it, and this is after I attack it. Before, after. I'm gonna finish over here, say it.